Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have an oven and the door doesn't quite kind of stays a little bit open when you try to close it and the light stays on or whatever, some of the heat escapes because the door won't quite shut properly. I'm going to give you a real quick fix for how we can make this better real easily. So all you really need to do, what we're going to do is we're going to open our oven, and we need to take like two towels or washcloths or something like that and put them down in each hinge. And then from there, you're going to just go ahead and close the door, and you'll see that it doesn't want to close because I have those washcloths there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of force it a little bit, and you don't want to push it too hard, but you just want to kind of apply some pressure, and it will kind of work those springs back in. And then I'll take this out, and now you can see that it closes a little bit more, and if I can just do this gradually, do this a few times, and each time add a little bit more pressure, I can slowly get those springs reset to where the door will close completely. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.